What's up, guys? We're going to do a quick review of some cases here for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the blue, Sierra Blue model. And I just wanted to do a quick review. I got one in here. I got the Apple leather case. Just came in. I want to see that how it stacks up and compared to some of these other cases. I got a Spigen one right here. I really like this one. The only problem is it's not MagSafe, and for somebody who uses MagSafe, I generally like that. So, but it's thin and it holds squares. It's pretty nice. So yeah, I like this one. It's fairly cheap on Amazon. It's got a lot of grip and grip on the sides too, which is really nice. I got this, my dad got this thin one. It's like really thin. It does really nothing, but it's kind of glosses out the matte. I mean, it looks better on the black one, which I'm using to record. But yeah, it's a little slippery though. The magnets are actually, this case is so thin, the magnets actually go through it and it'll hold some MagSafe stuff, just not as strong. But it's fairly cheap. It's like $2 on like Amazon. Here's another Spigen. I really like this one. This one has the MagSafe ring in it. The only thing I don't like about it is that it makes it a little bit more round, and I like to feel the square edges. But yeah, it's got a lot of grip. It covers it nicely in the front. And it has this thing on the outside for the camera bump, which is pretty cool. It has the MagSafe ring in it. Another Apple one right here is the clear case. I like the clear case. There's a MagSafe thing, especially to show off the colors of your phone. I think it's pretty cool. It shows off the nice clean colors of it, and the only thing is it makes your phone kind of greasy with the residue not to make it too much yellow. It's that anti-yellow stuff. Another one we got here is the Crave one. Now this thing is kind of a brick. It does not have a MagSafe ring in it. But if you want some real protection, I suggest getting one like this, though. It's got a lot of grip in the back, but it makes the phone kind of thick and heavy. But if you want some real protection, I mean, this thing is a brick. I mean, it ain't gonna do anything to it. So you can probably pick this one up on Amazon too. Real quick, I'm going to unbox the Apple leather case one. It's right here. Pull that out. Some of this thing. There's the box. I don't know why anybody would need a quick start guide to use this, but I think it just slides up like that. Yeah, it slides up just like that. Pops out. It's got some protective padding. I don't know what any of this is. I guess warranty information, and I guess it's just telling you to pull it out. But yeah, that's what's in the box. Leather case. You can see it's got the MagSafe ring. This feels very nice and premium. I don't know what type of leather they use, but it's pretty hard too. It doesn't flex too much. Let's see what it says. It's got the black logo. I do like how it is fairly close to the screen, but I don't like cases that indent it too much to the screen where, you have to like feel like you're diving into something. But here it is on the blue one. It looks pretty nice. It feels nice. It's got a lot of grip actually. Probably wearing over time. And it's got the MagSafe ring on the back, but yeah, no, it's nice. A little thing there and a little cutout. The one thing about this other Apple one, it does not have a cutout, and that's the only, I think, bad part about that one. But yeah, that's the Apple leather case compared to other ones. See you guys in the next one.